The 12th State Conference of the All Tripura Ophthalmological Society officially commenced this Saturday at a private hotel in the capital city. The two-day mega event was inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister Prof. Dr. Manik Saha. The conference is said to feature various scientific sessions, workshops and discussions on modern surgical techniques and vision care technology over the next 2 days. In his keynote address, the Chief Minister himself, a medical professional, emphasized the critical importance of eye care and the government's commitment to upgrading healthcare infrastructure. He lauded the society's role in bringing together experts to discuss the latest advancement in ophthalmology, which will ultimately benefit the citizens of Tripura.
Agartala Government Medical College and GPP Hospital has successfully performed 5 kidney transplants, as you know it. After the successful kidney transplant, the state government is continuing its efforts to organ donation, and we have a move with private organization and transplantation of organs like liver and heart will be done very soon. The program was launched during the month of March to provide lunch to the patient parties for ₹10 at Agartala Government Medical College and GPP Hospital. During 2025-26, the state has made budget provisions for setting up of Bharat Mata Canteen and night shelter so that people coming from far can stay overnight and have food in Agartala at a low cost. Now, we have 450 students are studying in various courses in both the government and private hospitals of the state. The number of seats in the postgraduate level is 119. During the academic year 2023-24, with only 50 students, the BDS course was started. Now we have started our government dental college. So in that college, the number of seats has increased to 63 from 50. A foundation stone has already been laid for the new building of our Agartala Government Dental College at ₹202 crore and has been allotted by the Honorable Ministry for the construction of new building of dental college. And in that college, the latest treatments are now available, like 3D printing, laser treatment, etc. and so on. We are emphasizing on studies at the Regional Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology and BSc Nursing colleges. Nursing and pharmaceutical institutes have been established at the government and private sectors level too. The state government is also developing infrastructure and expanding medical services, not only in Agartala but also in district and sub-divisional hospitals. The tendency to go out of the state for treatment has decreased significantly. And the main reason is that many complex diseases are already being successfully treated in the state. Presently, the government is giving more emphasis and importance on telemedicine services. Trauma Care Center has been started at Gumati, Dholai and South District Hospital, and very shortly we are going to start in North District also. Our government has approved new district hospitals for Khorang and Sipahijola district. 100 more beds has been increased in the Gumati district hospital. One homeopathic medical college is going to be established in Agartala, and another Ayurvedic medical college will be started. Integrated Ayush Hospital of Gumati district will be started there. So for that we have been given for each of these institutions 75 crore from the Government of India. There is a proposal for establishment of a new medical college in Dholai District Hospital at Khorang. We are also planning to establish a health university in Tripura. In cabinet already with our colleagues we have talked and we have passed also. So it also be visible within a short period of time.
Key dignitaries in attendance are Dr. B.K. Paul, President of the All Tripura Ophthalmological Society, Dr. Jennifer V. Basai Mort, President of the Eastern India Journal Ophthalmological Congress, and several other prominent medical professionals and delegates from across the region. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.